Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Giant Monogram reverse belt. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so today I am going to unbox my Louis Vuitton belt that I purchased this past weekend. And I decided to go ahead and get the Louis Vuitton belt because I felt like I purchased two Gucci belts and I really do wear the belts a lot. Like I would say I wear the belts more than I actually carry a purse. And so here is the little dust bag that it comes in, and I bought the belt in a size 85, and I really have enjoyed the Louis Vuitton Giant print. Of all the prints that Louis Vuitton has come out with, this is the one that I have really liked the most. The majority of my collection consists of the original monogram, and so when selecting the belt, I definitely wanted to get the monogram, but when I saw this giant monogram, I thought I am going to get this belt. And it comes with the Louis Vuitton emblem there, and it is a reverse belt. So the other side is the reverse monogram. And so I will insert footage on how you switch the belt from one side to the other, and it's very easy. You just unhook it here, take it off, swap it over, put it back in there, and you're done. And it just goes through the loop underneath here, and your first toggle that you want to put it in, you snap it in the back there. And there you have it. And so I even switched this while I was wearing it. So it's very easy to reverse it. And I would say that I probably would like the brown side best. And so this belt retails for $575. And I wore it today, and I'll insert a side screen here of what it looks like on. And I feel like the sizing with the Gucci belt and the Louis Vuitton are about the same, because I've got these both in a size 85 and I feel comfortable with this size. Now I would wear this with the pants, but I would also wear this with just a dress, and mainly I would wear it higher up. And so if I were wearing a dress, then I would wear it probably here. And so that's why I decided to get a size 85, because I felt like this size would fit best with a dress. And so the 90 fit as well, but I felt like I had too much lag over here, and I didn't really like that. And so in choosing this size, I wanted to make sure that here is where I was most concerned with. If it fit me with pants, then that was going to be great too. But mainly I use it for professional wear, so mainly with dresses. So anyway, that's what I purchased from Louis Vuitton. I purchased the strap and this belt at the same time. We were being spontaneous and headed down to Houston, and they have a Louis Vuitton, and we just went in, and I just was going to get the strap. Bandoulière, the bandoulière, whatever. And I decided to go ahead and pick up the belt as well, because it has been an item that I have been wanting to purchase, and I just never made the purchase, but I'm very happy with it. I've worn it. I know I'll get my use out of it. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.